Super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you one app that you can use to make $600 by playing your favorite music. The strategy that I'm going to show you is not going to make you rich. You're not going to be financially free by what I'm going to show you in this video. But what can be a game changer to your finances is what I'm going to announce towards the end of this video. So I would urge you to stick with me. I make videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. So if you are looking for ways and means of harnessing the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Without wasting your time, let me show you the app right now. The app is called current.us or current.us, okay? It's a secure website with the padlock at the corner, all right? And if you click the padlock, you find it says connection is secure. Your information, for example, passwords and or credit card numbers is private when it is sent to this site. Okay, the certificate is valid, the cookies 26 in use, and you can check the site settings by clicking that button. So it says, I want to earn rewards whilst I'm working. You can earn rewards whilst you are commuting, earn rewards whilst you are running. You download this app on your Android device or on your Apple device, but you are going to be paid for having this app on your phone. You are already playing some music. It is a common assumption that you already play some music of some sort. Many people, they listen to music whilst they are in the gym, whilst they are walking, whilst they are driving, whilst they are doing their daily chores, okay? So here, you are paid for listening to some music. You play your favorite music and then you get paid. So you play the music, then you earn some money, and then you spend it on whatever you want to buy. You search and play from hundreds of thousands of radio stations, right? So if you are listening to your favorite radio on your phone, right, then you can use this app to get some money, to earn some money. And we are talking of $600 right there per year, right? But that translates to about $50 per month, right? I know that $50 per month might not be something to write home about, but it can buy some gas for you. You can buy a loaf of bread for your children. You can buy something small for yourself. $50, you cannot pick it from the street. So you can earn that money by just having this app on your phone and you are listening to some music. And this is not just random music, which is forced into your ears, but you choose from hundreds of thousands of radio stations of your choice. And then you select the music that you want. If you've got a favorite radio station that you are already listening to, then you can get it through this app. But at the same time now, the only difference now is that you are being paid for doing what you've already been doing. Okay, right. So you earn points by playing your favorite music. You remember I said you choose the music that you want, your favorite music, right there. Right? You spend your points on your favorite brands. So it means the money is yours to spend whichever way you want to spend it. Okay, right? So you can start earning right there. Okay, available on Google Play Store and also on App Store. These are the frequently asked questions. How do I earn? The more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in current and in-app points called points. During the media playback, you encounter several opportunities to generate points. They're constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for more important updates. How do I get music offline? In order to get music offline, choose a radio station to play and press record at the beginning of the song you like. Once you are done recording, press stop and the recordings will be in your library. You can find more information about that one. You can see also some more frequently asked questions right here. It will be helpful, very helpful to find out what people are saying about this app. Okay, those who are using it and those who have used it. And we want to find the rating on this app, whether it is a legit app or it's just a scam. We go and we check the reviews. Right, I've already done some homework right here. About 330 people are saying this app is great, all right? And I'm on Trustpilot right now, and Trustpilot is one of the reputable sites for reviews. So if you've got a review from Trustpilot, you can trust it, really, as the name implies, okay? Right, so we've got 330 people who are saying great. We've got 62% saying it's excellent. 62% of 330 people are saying it's excellent. 5% are saying it's great. And then when you take the overall stars right there, you find that it is 4 stars. Ronald is saying, never had problems until the other day. My card was mysteriously swiped at an ATM, but I had my card the whole time. Everything is fine now. Okay, that's the important bit, okay? Everything is fine now. If you have any problems, just go into the app and chat with them. They fix everything. 5 stars, all right? That one is great. My paychecks always come on time. Fantastic, 5 stars. Right, and you can see another 5-star right there, 5-star right there, 5-star right there, and this one. And you can read some more reviews and some more reviews right there. If you have been listening to some music on your phone, then you've been losing $50 every month, right? But then with this app now, you can capture it, right? You've got an opportunity to capture it, and $50, like I said, $50 cannot do a lot of things, but it can do something. There is another twist to making money online, my friend, which I want to announce to you right now. And that way is called affiliate marketing. And you can make money on AutoPilot. You can make money whilst you are asleep. You can make money whilst you are on vacation. Make money whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones. You can make money whilst you are spending quality time with your husband, with your wife. You can make money whilst you are doing the more important things of life. How do you do that? You set up a money-making machine in motion, and then this money-making machine goes to work for you 24/7 whilst you are asleep, whilst you are doing the other things which I've just described to you. I've got a link in the description below that can give you details on what I have just hinted on right now. So if you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see each other in the next videos. Bye for now.